है दोस्तों, गुड मॉर्निंग। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल कुसुम के सपोर्ट टीचिंग। सो टुडे आवर चैप्टर नेम इज ए क्रॉ इन द हाउस एंड चैप्टर नंबर इज 3.3 एंड क्लास 7th क्लास बोर्ड महाराष्ट्र. So subject is English. So we are going to give a answer of all the problems, all the questions means workbook fill. So we are going to fill your workbook. So let us start the video. And question number 1 is, what danger were likely to befall the young crow? So answer is, the young crow was in danger of being crushed by a cart or tanga or seized by a cat. Question number 2 is, who were the other members of author family living in the same house? So answer is, author and his grandparents lived in the same house. Question number 3 is, did the author's grandfather like animals? How do we know that? Give 2 examples from page 64 of the textbook of support your answer. Answer is yes, the author's grandfather liked animals. We know this from the fact that grandfather already had some pets and Caesar was taking good care. Question number next is, what is impelled in? He took over the administration of the house. Answer is, in spite of the opposition to Caesar's presence in the house from grandfather's aunt Mabel and grandfather's pets, he made himself comfortable there. Question number C is, using your imagination, write how the other pets in the house could have objected to Caesar living in the house. The pet dog Bruno and the little pet cat Tisco would have got upset about the author's attention getting divided. Tisca would have refused to eat or drink, and Bruno must have barked each time the authors would play with Caesar's. Bruno and Tisca would have leaped onto the writer's lap to get his attention like before. Question number next is, find the antonyms for the following from the story. So mention, motionless, restless, humble, snobbish, captivity, freedom, cooperated, objected, gentle, throaty. Find the synonyms for the following from the story. Disapproved, objected, peace, shares, rebuke, scold. Underline the preposition in the following sentence. Underline the preposition in the following sentence. So first line, he stayed at home earning some money through beekeeping. So at and through is preposition. In second sentence, he scraped together the rest of the money from his saving. So in this sentence, of and from is preposition. Third, they traveled toward their destination free of all expenses. The towards and of is preposition. And fourth, that thatch has fallen off the roof on one side. So off and on is preposition. So assignment of the through page 65 and 66 in the time Caesar learns. Question number 1 is, think and answer. First, guess how Caesar learned to say hello hello. The author taught Caesar to say hello hello in a cracked throaty voice. Question number next is, what is meant by Aunt Mabel's never was a success with pets? Can you think of the reasons why it was so? Answer is, Aunt Mabel never was a success with the pets means she didn't get along well with pets. She probably must be afraid of them, or there must be some inherent dislike for pets. Question number 3 is, what is impelled in the following sentence? Most of the neighbors were represented in our house by a toothbrush. So answer is, Caesar stole and gathered a toothbrush from his neighbor's suit and made a collection of them on the top of the cupboard in his room. Question number 4 is what actions of the author show that he loved Caesar? The author brought the injured crow home and called it Caesar despite grandmother being unhappy about Caesar's mischief. The authors never got upset or thought of getting rid of him. When he died, the authors dug a grave in the garden and buried Caesar there along with all the cloth, page, and toothbrushes. Question number 1. Find the antonyms for the following from the story. 1 is dull, gleaming. 2nd, deep, shallow, frequent, sometimes. Find the synonyms for the following from the story. So attracted का fascinated, controlled का restricted, nuisance का pest, achievement का success, mishap का disaster. Question number 3 is underline the subject complement in the following sentence. 1 sentence is the young boy become a pilot. So subject is the young boy, and 2nd sentence is the teacher seemed pleased. So the teacher is subject. The entire report was false. In this sentence, the entire report is subject. The old man seemed very tired. In this sentence, the old man is subject. Question number 4 is underline the object complement in the following sentence. So 1. The student made him their leader. So made him their leader is object. 2nd, the judge thought him innocent. So in this sentence, the thought him innocent is object. 3rd, he considered this man a cheat. So answer is this man a cheat. 4. Mr. Menon called her baby Dolly. So her baby Dolly is object. Relate the life story of Caesar, rearranging the fact in the proper sequence in the form of a flowchart. So answer is first, young crow is shaped by the narrator, and 2nd is the crow is named Caesar, and 3rd is Caesar being to upset things at home. 4 is Caesar objects to being caged. 5 is Caesar begins to trouble neighbors. 6 is neighbors flying sticks at Caesar. Caesar's neighbor flings sticks at Caesar. 7 is Caesar passes away. And question number next is rewrite in your own words. Say one event from the stories. When Aunt Mabel paid the authors a visit, Caesar impressed her by landing on her arms and demanding a kiss. As soon as Aunt Mabel called delighted, put her cheeks forward, her spectacles grabbed his attention and he knocked them off. B. One of Caesar's threats that makes me laugh begins with getting comfortable in the author's house. Caesar slowly started annoying the pets already there. He would tug at the tail of one of the dogs or sit on top of Harold the Hornbill's cage and peck his feet and annoy him. Question number 3 is do you have pet animals? Write an interesting story about your own or your friend's pet. Answer is yes. I do have a pet dog named Brady. He usually gets along well with almost everyone but one of my neighbors, Mr. Miranda, an old woman aged 30, never managed to impress the canine. He would do did his utmost to make her life miserable, sometimes tilting her disturbing kept dustbin kept outside her door, spreading garbage all over her entrance door, other times barking at her guests so fiercely to shoo them away before they could even meet her.